Hi guys, I hope your week's off to a great start. I just wanted to say a big thank you to all of you who have been doing all of your work and assignments. It's crazy. I think we've had in sixth grade 100% participation in all of our assignments. So thanks guys, keep up the great work. So proud of you. This week, I just kind of wanted to go over some of the activities that you'll be doing. I think you'll find, I know some of you said last week seemed like a lot of work. If that ever happens, you need to let me know. You should be doing about 2.5 hours of work for SIC each week. Really no more than that. So if you're finding that it's more than that, you need to let me know. We can certainly work something out, figure out a way that we can kind of get you back to that no more than 2.5 hour time. I think you're going to find this week there's a lot less time that you'll need to put into this. So if you take a look on Monday, you're already watching this video, and that's pretty much all you need to do. If you have questions or anything, comment where we posted this on Google Classroom or send me an email, but other than that, you should be fine. We are going to get started with your speeches this week and getting into the research part of your speeches, and I'm just throwing out there now, I have put a due date of May 8th onto your speeches. So that's like feels like a long time away, but I want to make sure you guys give this your best effort. If I find that you guys are getting done faster, just like in the classroom, if we find we're getting done faster, we'll move it up. I just don't want them to be any later than May 8th, and we'll talk about how we're going to post those and everything a little later. If you look for Tuesday, this is when you're going to start researching and taking notes. Now keep in mind, this research is not like the research that you guys just finished up. This is just looking for data, facts, information, specific examples that will highlight your point of view for your speech that you've already been, for your topic you've already been approved for. One thing to note is that on Tuesday from 10 to 10:30, we are having a sixth grade only Zoom time. So that's going to be a good time for you to kind of come to our class. Let me talk a little bit about what the oratorical contest is going to look like, how we're going to share your speeches, and that way you can ask any questions as well. We can talk a little bit about any research questions you might have or the expectations for that. So Tuesday's a really good time for you to pop in. You don't have to, but it would be a good time if you want to answer some of those questions. But it is for SIC oratorical contest topics only. So it's not a time for you to like show me your dog or take me on a tour of your house. It's just a time for us to talk about that. On Wednesday and Thursday, you guys are going to keep on working. So keep looking for information, facts, things that are going to back up your opinion and what you're trying to talk to us about for your speech. And then on Friday, I want you to complete a class discussion question on how the note-taking is going. Minimum of 4 sentences. I want you guys to put a little effort into this, really give us an update, and then go back and comment on 2 classmate posts offering encouragement, answering any questions that someone might have posted, talking about what's going really well, or challenges that you've had. Maybe you can relate to someone else's struggle. Those are the things that I want you guys to be commenting on for Friday. Now, you can always, keep in mind, you can always do that Wednesday or Thursday if you want to, especially because you have to do comments as well. So feel free to do it earlier, but in general, it has to be posted by Friday. So guys, that is really it for the week. It's just a focus on getting your research and your note-taking done. And as always, if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any issues with your core classes, please let me know that too. It's really important that if you guys feel like you're not being challenged, I'm still here to help. Even though we're working distantly away from each other, I'm still here to help you guys with any of those situations, and compaction is always an option if you feel like you need it. So with all of that said, I hope you guys have a great week. Have fun. hopefully the weather will be a little warmer this week. And I will be hopefully seeing lots of friendly faces on Tuesday at our Zoom meeting at 10 o'clock. Take care. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.